The writ petition is allowed. The order dated 8/12/2004 is hereby quashed and matter is remanded back to the appellate authority to decide as fresh in view of observations made above as well as on the basis of relevant record. It is, however, open to parties to lead fresh evidence regarding condition of the building in question. As the matter is pending quite for a considerable period, court is directed to decide when 3 months from the date of presentation of certified copy of the order. Thereafter, the appeal was heard again and void judgment dated 30/4/2010, the district judge Meerut dismissed the appeal and confirmed order of trial court. Again, the matter was taken up to this court, but this time the petitioners were tenants in writ petition number 33198 of 2010. It was contended that the photographs and report of Sri Anil Sabarwal, architect, submitted on behalf of tenants was not considered by appellate court properly. This writ petition was also allowed void judgment dated 14/11/2011 and the matter was remanded again to appellate court to decide afresh. The relevant observations of this court are as under. From perusal of the order of this court dated 4/12/2009, it is apparent that the matter was to be decided afresh after considering the evidence to be produced by the parties and from perusal of para 7 of the judgment of the appellate court. It transpires that several affidavits and reports of the architects were filed by the respective parties, but the same have not been considered and discussed while passing the impugned order by the appellate court, though it was obligatory on the part of the appellate authority to have considered and discussed the said evidence while deciding the matter afresh in the light of the observations made by the writ court, and as such the appellate court has committed error apparent on the face of record while passing the impugned order, and the impugned order passed by the appellate authority to this effect regarding non-consideration of the evidence adduced by the respective parties, whose reference has been made in para 7 thereof cannot be sustained, and the same is liable to be quashed. In view of what has been discussed herein above, the writ petition succeeds and is allowed, and the impugned judgment and order dated 30/4/2010 passed by the respondent number 1 district judge Meerut is hereby quashed, and the matter is remanded back to the appellate authority to decide the appeal afresh in view of the observations made herein above. Considering the relevant record, particularly the reports of the architects filed by the respective parties, whose reference has been made in para 7 of the impugned order dated 30/4/2010 passed by the appellate court, since the matter is pending since last nearly 12 years, the appellate court is directed to decide the appeal within a period of 3 months from the date of production of certified copy of this order. Pursuant to this judgment, the appellate court has now passed the order impugned in this writ petition, whereby it has again dismissed the appeal of tenants void judgment dated 24/4/2012.